In this Sunday Sprout video, we are going to explore 10 of the most profitable crops you can grow and harvest in just 30 to 40 days. These are perfect for farmers, home gardeners, or anyone looking to grow fresh, fast, and with purpose. We'll also tell you the best Indian states to grow them, the type of soil they love, and what to use in grow bags. So, let's begin your green journey. 1. Radish Mooli harvest in 30 days. Best states: Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Soil type: loose, sandy loam rich in organic matter. Grow bag mix: 40% garden soil, 30% cocopeat, 30% compost, vermicompost or cow dung. Radish grows fast and straight in soft soil. Don't overwater, just keep it moist. 2. Lettuce harvest in 30-35 days. Best states: Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, hilly areas. SIKKIM soil type: well-drained, loose loam with good organic content. Grow bag mix: 30% cocopeat, 30% compost, 40% loamy garden soil. Lettuce thrives in cool climates and loves consistent moisture. Just don't let it sit in water. 3. Spinach Palak harvest in 30-40 days. Best states: Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu. DLHI soil type: loamy or clay loam, rich in nitrogen. Grow bag mix: 40% garden soil, 30% compost, 30% cocopeat or river sand. Spinach grows quickly and can be harvested multiple times. A must-have for healthy diets. 4. Fenugreek Methi harvest in 30 days. Best states: Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. MAHARASHTRA soil type: sandy loam with good drainage. Grow bag mix: 50% garden soil, 25% compost, 25% coarse sand or cocopeat. Sow densely and cut young for fresh methi leaves. It grows even in small spaces. 5. Coriander Dhania harvest in 30-35 days. Best states: Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat. KRNATAKA soil type: sandy to loamy soil with good drainage. Grow bag mix: 30% cocopeat, 30% compost, 40% loamy soil. Soak the seeds overnight to boost germination, then just let them thrive. 7. Fenugreek Methi days to harvest: 30-50 days. Soil type: loamy or sandy loam. Grow bag soil mix: 40% garden soil, 30% compost, 30% cocopeat. Suitable states: Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, UP. 8. Coriander Dhania days to harvest: 40-60 days. Soil type: loamy or light-textured soil, well-drained. Grow bag soil mix: 40% garden soil, 30% compost, 30% cocopeat sand. Suitable states: Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, UP. 9. Dil Suva Bhaji days to harvest: 50-60 days. Soil type: sandy or loamy soil. Grow bag soil mix: 40% garden soil, 30% compost, 30% sand or cocopeat. Suitable states: Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. 10. Green onion Spring onion days to harvest: 50-60 days. Soil type: fertile, sandy loam. Grow bag soil mix: 40% garden soil, 30% compost, 30% sand cocopeat. Suitable states: Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal. General grow bag soil formula for 50-70 day veggies: 40% garden soil, 30% compost, vermicompost, cow dung, or kitchen waste compost, 30% cocopeat sand. For aeration and drainage, add neem cake or trichoderma once a month to prevent soil-borne diseases.